Good morning, students. Now we are going to learn profit and loss. What is profit? Profit means the shopkeeper earns money. Loss means shopkeeper loses money. Shopkeeper loses money. Profit. In this model, you will learn calculate profit and loss. First part is a calculator of profit and loss. Second one is a solve simple problem related to the situations arising in everyday life involving profit percent or loss percent. Profit percent or loss percent. Percent. How to use the percent? Important facts of cost price. Cost price means the price at which an article is purchased is called its cost price, abbreviated as CP. Cost price is the amount at which the shopkeeper buys his good. Shopkeeper buys his good. Cost price. Cost price is the amount at which a shopkeeper buys his good. That is a cost price. Next one is selling price. The price at which an article is sold is called as selling price, abbreviated as SP. That is SP is a amount at which the shopkeeper sells his goods. Shopkeeper sells his goods. Profit or gain. Profit or gain. Gain means profit. Profit means gain. That is, a profit is made when the selling price is more than the cost price. That is called the profit. That means ASP is greater than CP. Loss. If ASP is less than the CP, the seller is made to have incurred a loss. That is, the loss is incurred when the selling price is less than the cost price. That is called the ASP is less than CP. It is a last percent. Important formula. Gain. Gain means, what is a gain percentage? What is a gain? Gain means profit. Already you know that the profit is made when the selling price is more than the cost price. That is, ASP is greater than CP. Loss means selling price is less than the cost price. That is, ASP is less than CP. That value minus CP minus SP. Cost price minus selling price. Loss or gain is always reckoned on CP. That is a cost price. Gain percentage. So that is a increases in percentage value. So gain into 100 by CP. Gain into 100 by CP. Fifth one is a loss percentage. Loss into 100 by CP. How to use the percent formula? Cost price of the pen is 10 rupees. For example, selling price of the pen 20 rupees. It is a profit or loss? It is a profit percent. What is a profit? Rupees 10 rupees. It is a profit. So SP minus CP. That is a profit. Are you understand? It is a gain percentage. Selling price of SP equal to 100 plus gain percentage by 100 into CP. 100 into CP. Next one, selling price 100 minus loss percentage by 100 into CP. Cost price CP into 100 by 100 plus gain percentage into SP. Next one, cost price 100 by 100 minus loss percentage into SP. If an article is sold at a gain of say 35%, gain of 35%, that SP is 100 plus 35. 100 plus 35, 135. 135% of cost price. Are you understand? If an article sold at loss of say 35%, it is a subtracted. Gain percentage means added to the percentage. Percentage added to the gain. 100 plus 35, we get a value of the cost price 135%. If an article is sold at the loss of say 35%, it is a 100 minus 35. We get a value of the cost price 65%. Given cost price equal to rupees 1200. Selling price rupees 1350. Selling price rupees 1032. It is profit or loss? It is profit. So cost price is less than SP. So profit formula, profit equal to SP minus CP. Rupees cost price 1350 minus 1200. So we get the value 150. So profit is a rupees 150. Are you understand? Given cost price equal to rupees 980. Selling price rupees 940. Cost price is greater than selling price. Last equal to cost price minus selling price. So cost price is a 980. Selling price is a 940. Last formula, cost price minus selling price. 980 minus 940. We get a value of a rupees 40. It is a last percentage. It is last. Cost price equal to rupees 720. What is ASP? Profit rupees 55.50. So already you know that the profit. So profit is equal to ASP minus CP. So what is ASP? Don't know. So we find 50 profit value 55.50 equal to SP minus 720. So SP 55.50 plus 720. So rupees 775.50. Selling price of the amount is 775.50. So fourth sum, cost price. What is a cost price? SP given the amount of the selling price rupees 1254, last rupees 32. So already you know that the last formula CP minus SP. 32 is equal to CP minus 1254. So 1254 plus 32, cost price of the value 1286. Are you understand the student? Last rupees 12. Given CP rupees 1265. Selling price rupees 1253. So subtracted. So it is a profit or loss? Loss. Cost price 1265. Selling price 1253. It is profit or loss? Loss. 1265 minus 1253. We get a value rupees 12. Cost price equal to rupees 300. Given CP is equal to cost price equal to 7. Selling price equal to 450. Profit 150. Profit equal to SP minus CP. Profit value 150 equal to SP value 450. So to find the CP. So first we subtract. Cost price is equal to 450 minus 150 equal to rupees 300. Given CP equal to rupees 3355. SP is equal to rupees 7355. SP is greater than CP. SP is greater than CP. That is a profit. Profit equal to SP minus CP. Profit equal to 7355 minus 3355. Subtracted. Profit value 4000. So fourth sum, cost price is equal to rupees 2395.50. Given cost price rupees 7. Selling price 2390. Last 5.50. Last formula CP minus SP. So last 5.50 equal to CP minus 2390. So added 2395.50. So last equal to 2395.50. Given CP equal to rupees 4560. Selling price rupees 5000. So it is profit or loss? Profit. SP is greater than CP. So profit formula SP minus CP. Rupees 5000 minus 4560. Rupees 440. Profit percentage. Profit by CP into 100. 440 divided by 4560 into 100 percentage. So cancel it. So we get the value of 9.65 percentage. Given CP is equal to rupees 2600. SP is equal to 2470. It is profit or loss? Loss. Last formula CP minus SP. So cost price minus selling price. We get a value 130. Last percentage, last by CP into 100. 130 divided by 2600 into 100. 0 0 cancel. 130 divided by 26. So divided by 2. We get a value 0.05 into 100. So last percentage is 5%. CP is equal to rupees 332. SP equal to rupees 350. Clearly SP is greater than CP as of profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Rupees 350 minus 332. So subtracted 18. Profit percentage formula, profit by CP into 100. 18 by 332 into 100. So divided 18 divided by 332, we get a value 0.054 into 100. Profit percentage is 5.4%. Next one, cost price equal to rupees 1500. SP is equal to rupees 1500. It is a equal. SP equal to CP. Neither profit nor loss. Given CP is equal to rupees 4000. Gain is equal to rupees 40. So what is the gain percentage? Gain, already know that gain. So that is a gain percentage. Gain formula, gain by CP into 100%. 40 by 4000 into 100. So 0 0 cancel. So 0.01 into 100%. Gain percentage is 1%. Given SP is equal to 1272. Last rupees 328. Last formula CP minus SP. Hence CP is equal to last plus SP. 328 plus rupees 1272. Added to the value rupees 1600. Loss percentage formula, loss by CP into 100%. 328 into 1600 into 100%. Loss percentage is equal to 20.5%. Are you understand? Given SP is equal to rupees 1820. Gain is equal to rupees 420. Gain SP minus CP. Cost price equal to 1820 minus 420. Rupees 1400. So gain percentage, gain by CP into 100%. 420 divided by 1400 into 100%. So 0 0 cancel, 00 cancel. 420 divided by 14. We 420 divided by 14, we get a value is 30%. Gain percentage is 30. Find the gain or loss percent when cost price rupees 2300. Overhead expenses rupees 300 and gain is equal to rupees 260. Cost first sum is given, cost price equal to rupees 2300, expenses 300 and gain is 260. So gain percentage formula, gain by CP plus overhead expenses 300 into 100, 260 divided by 2600 into 100. So 0 0 cancel, 26 to the 260 divided by 26, we get a value 10%. Gain percentage 10%. Given CP is equal to rupees 3500, overhead expenses 150, loss equal to rupees 146. Loss percentage, loss by CP plus overhead expenses into 100. Loss value 146 divided by 3500 plus 150 into 100. 146 divided by 3650 into 100. 14,600 divided by 3650. So we get a value, loss percentage of 4%. Suppose a shopkeeper has bought 1 kg of apples for rupees 100 and sold it for 120 kg. So 1 kg of apple rate 100 rupees. Sold it for 120 kg. 120 kg. How much it's a profit get? He got cost price for apple is rupees 100. Selling price of the apple for 120 rupees. So profit, it is a profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. 120 minus 100. So 20. We get a value 20. So profit rupees 20. For the above examples, calculate the percentage of the profit gained by the shopkeeper surgeon. Profit percentage equal to profit by CP into 100. Profit percentage 20 by 100 into 100. 100 cancel. So we get a value 20 percentage. A man buys a van for rupees 1000 and sells a loss of 15%. What is the selling price of the van? Cost price of the van is 1000. Loss percentage is 15%. Loss percentage, loss by cost price into 100. Loss by 1000 into 100. So 0 cancel. We get a value 150 rupees. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So selling price is equal to cost price minus selling price. So SP is equal to cost price value 1000. Loss 150. So selling price is a rupees 850. CP is equal to rupees 950. Gain percentage is 6%. SP is equal to selling price is equal to what is find the selling price. SP is equal to 100 plus gain percentage by 100 into CP. So gain percentage is 6. 106 by 100 into 950. So 1 lakh 700 divided by 100. 0 cancel. So rupees 1007. Selling price is 1007. Cost price second sum. Cost price equal to rupees 9600. Gain 16 2 by 3%. So converted into improper fraction. 16 3s are 48. 48 plus 250 by 3%. Selling price 100 plus 50 by 3 by 100 into 9600. So 350 by 300 into 9600. 0 cancel. 32. 350 into 32. So rupees 11,200. Cost price equal to rupees 1540. Loss is equal to 4%. SP is equal to 100 minus loss percentage by 100 into CP. 100 minus 4, 96 by 100 into 1540. So 96 into 1540, 1,47,840 divided by 100. Rupees 1478.40. Cost price equal to rupees 8,640. Loss is equal to 12 1 by 2% equal to, so converted into improper fraction, 25 by 2%. Selling price is equal to 100 minus loss percentage by 100 into CP. So loss percentage value 25 by 2. So 175 by 200 into 8,640. So 15 lakhs 12,000 divided by 200. This is a cancel. We get a value 7,560. Cost price rupees 2,400. Selling price rupees 2,592. Gain SP minus CP. So SP value 2,592. Cost price 2,400. So gain is rupees 192. So gain percentage, what is the percentage of gain? Gain by CP into 100. Gain value 192 by 2,400 into 100. 0 cancel. We get a value 8. Cost price equal to rupees 1,650. Selling price equal to rupees 1,452. Loss equal to CP minus SP. So 1,650 minus 1,452. Rupees 192. Loss percentage, loss by CP into 100. 198 by 1,650 into 100. So we get a value 12. Next one, cost price equal to 12,000. Selling price equal to 12,800. Gains equal to SP minus CP. So 12,800 minus 12,000. So we get a value rupees 800. Gain by CP into 100. 800 divided by 12,000. 0 cancel. So we get a value 6.66. Cost price equal to rupees 1,800. Selling price 1,611. Loss CP minus SP 1,800 minus 1,611. So loss is 189 rupees. Loss by CP by 100. 189 by divided by 1,800 into 100. 0 cancel. So loss percentage is 10.5%. SP is equal to rupees 924. Gain percentage is 10. 100 by 100 plus gain percentage into SP. 100 by 100 plus 10. 110 into 924. So multiply it. 9,240. So 92,400 divided by 110. 0 cancel. We get a value rupees 840. Selling price is equal to rupees 1,755. gain is equal to 12 1 by 2 percentage equal to 25 by 2 percentage. 100 by 100 plus gain percentage into SP. 100 by 100 plus 25 by 2 into 1755. 200 by 225. 1755. So rupees 1560. Thank you students. If you have any doubt, kindly call and ask me. Thank you.